What's going on, guys? Bitter Poet Madman here, and welcome to It's Complicated. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the bracelet from a watch with a no-holes case, and then I'm going to show you how to get the bracelet back on a watch with a no-holes case, which is the tricky part. Here we go. So you just got a brand new watch and you want to take the bracelet off and put it on a NATO strap. Well, you're going to need a spring bar tool, which you can see here. I've actually gotten away with using this before. It is an eyeglass repair kit, just the flat head end of it, but wouldn't recommend it. You're probably going to scratch, well, you're especially going to scratch the spring bar, but just get one of these. They're fucking cheap. You can actually get a whole watch repair kit for about 20 bucks, a little under 20 bucks. And this end is what we're going to be using. Now, they used to make these watches with holes in the side of the case, and you could just take a paper clip and push it in there to loosen the spring bars, but not the case anymore. So you got to flip it over and look, and you can see for the keen-eyed, there are the spring bars kind of hidden under. And they're on both sides, and it takes a little patience, but don't be scared to do it. These things are bought and meant to enjoy. So you want to take this end and you want to get it in there, and then you want to get it so you can feel the spring bar move. See it move in there? And then you can pop that out. Now it's out a little bit, but you want to hold this end with this finger, hold this back. Take it back here. Do the same thing, and there you go. You've taken the bracelet off. Do that again to this side, and you have it off. You can easily remove the spring bar, and you can put that spring bar back on to get your NATO strap on. And putting the bracelet on takes a little more patience, but we'll check that out here. Takes a little more patience to put it back on. What I like to do is I like to have it face down, kind of put this, I gotta do it so I can see it on camera here. Put this here. Now you can see the spring bars are kind of hanging, or the spring bar, I should say, is kind of hanging out there. You want to make sure that it's going to fit right back in there, and I like to have the two spring bars on top. And then what I do is, let's see if I can fucking figure this out, because this is a little rough here to do on camera. Trying to look at the camera to get this done. And most likely you're going to end up scratching part of the watch here. Now I use this tool, and you just want to push. You want to be gentle about it. You don't want to fucking rip into it, but you want to push that. And you want to kind of make sure that you can start, see, that's one side in there. And now you just got to get this other side down here, push it up. Like I said, you don't want to force it too much. You're going to scratch it, and it snaps right back in. And then the bracelet is secure back on the watch. And it's really as simple as that. All right, guys, that's how to remove and put a bracelet back on of a watch with a no-holes case. Hope you liked the video. Still uploading Tuesdays and Fridays, and I'll see you next time.